Good morning, dear students. Now, today we are going to learn the poem The Pilgrims. Now, what is meant by pilgrim? Last time I have told you pilgrim means the person who travels for at a sacred place for a spiritual purpose. अध्यात्म के लिए कहीं जो travel करता है, that person is called as pilgrim, just like yatra. A pilgrim's going alone highway. A pilgrim was going lonely on the highway, came at the evening cold and grey. So certainly the season was really cold. Now you would see that the season may be cold and grey, or that person may be cold and grey. Grey means an old age person is there. So he was traveling towards the pilgrimage in the cold night to a chasm, a deep and vast and wide. He reached at the chasm. Chasm means valley. Valley means khai. He reached towards the chasm which was deep, vast and wide. There was a big, vast, wide ravine or a very deep gap in the earth's surface. The old man crossed in the twilight dim. So when he was crossing the road, it was really a darkness. It was twilight, means he was crossing the ravine or chasm in moonlight, or the very there was a light which was very dim. The chasm held no fear for him. He was really an experienced person. He got the experience through the life, and so he did not fear or frightened of that thing. But he paused when he reached the other side. It means that he had crossed the chasm. He had crossed the that ravine or valley, and after reaching to the another end, what did he do? And built a bridge to span the tide. What did he do? So certainly he started building a bridge over that crossing water. Means whatever the valley was there from that the water was flowing under that. Old man said, fellow pilgrims, why waste your time in building here? Your journey ends with the close of the day. You never again will pass this way. तो क्या हो रहा है कि ये जो है पहुंचने के बाद में ओल्ड मैन अक्रॉस द चैज़म, दूसरी तरफ पहुंचने के बाद में वो क्या कर रहा है कि अब ब्रिज बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा है. बट इट शुड बी डन अर्लियर व्हेन ही वाज क्रॉसिंग द चैज़म. पहले करना था क्योंकि वो जब जा रहा था तो उसको तकलीफ हुई, लेकिन वो पहुंचने के बाद में कर रहा है. तो फेलो पिलग्रिम्स जो है उसके जो कलीग्स हैं या कंपेनियन है वो पूछने लगे कि व्हाई आर यू नाउ taking the work of the bridge or building the bridge. The journey ends with the close of the day. अब दिन खत्म हो जाएगा, तुम्हारा जर्नी भी खत्म हो जाएगा. You never again will pass this way, and you are not going to come again this way. So you have crossed the chasm deep and wide. Why build ye means you here at the even tide, means tide means here late night, and certainly it is too late or too late to proceed on for the pilgrimage. हमको pilgrimage पे पहुंचना है, तो आप यहाँ टाइम वेस्ट क्यों कर रहे हैं? आपने तो वो खाई जो है वो पार कर लिया है, वो चाज़म जो है वो पार कर लिया है. तो फिर आप, क्वेश्चन तो जनरल है क्योंकि कोई भी अच्छा काम करते दिखता है तो वो ये कोई भी ये बोलता है कि तुम्हारा ये काम नहीं है, कोई भी कर सकता है, या तुम्हारा काम नहीं है, तुम ये काम क्यों कर रहे हो, पूछते हैं जनरली लोग. तो यहाँ पे वो भी सेम पूछ रहा है. नेक्स्ट देखिए आप. अ पिलग्रिम्स रेज हिज ओल्ड ग्रे हेड. सर्टनली रेज हिज ओल्ड ग्रे हेड. ग्रे हेड मीन्स द पर्सन हु गॉट ओल्ड एज. सर्टनली हिज हेयर टर्न्स इनटू द ग्रे वन. तो जैसे बूढ़े लोगों के बाल होते हैं वैसे ही उसके बाल थे और उसने अपना सिर ऊपर किया. माई फ्रेंड इन द पाथ आई हैव कम, ही सेड. देयर फॉलोड आफ्टर मी टुडे अ फेयर हेयर्ड यूथ. अब क्या हो रहा है कि dear friend, I have passed the chasm, I have passed the road or path, but after me there are many of the follows, there are many of the young here. Fair headed means young people. There are many of the young people who are going to cross this chasm, who must pass this way, और उनको भी यहीं से आना पड़ेगा. The chasm which held no fear for me. Certainly I was really an experienced person, and due to the old age I don't fear to the death. Because of that I could pass or I could cover up the chasm, and I reach towards the another end. To the fair-headed youth may be a pitfall. May a pitfall be. It means that to the fair-haired youth means to the young people it might be really difficult to cross the road. Hence, I am building a bridge for them. He too must cross the in the twilight dim, and when he would travel, means when the young person would travel by this way, certainly there might be evening or night, and in the night, as he would not be an experienced person, he might have fall, he might got trapped, or he might got hurt. So for them I am building the bridge. My friend, I am building this bridge for him. So certainly I am building this bridge for those who are going to come after me. In this poem the psychology has been shown. As you are an experienced person, you must have to help to the others who are inexperienced or who don't have the knowledge of that thing. Means if you have the knowledge, you must have to carry forward towards the younger generation or towards the next generation. Through the poem we learn that though we are able, we must have to help those who are unable. Okay, so after it I am going to send you the question and answer. Okay, thank you.